Hi students, good morning to everyone. So today we continue that same topic circles, that second exercise. Already we discussed 6 questions, so 7th questions. Two concentric circle of radius 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So before I explain, draw that concentric circle, what is meant by concentric circle? So concentric circle is nothing but two circle with a different radius with same center. Okay, I just draw that circle in a different radius. One is 5 centimeter. I just draw a circle like this. It shows 5 centimeter. And another one circle I will take at a 3 centimeter. It should be in a 3 centimeter. It is in 3 centimeter with the center. I take center as O. Center as O. Just you look at, this is the two concentric circle with the different radius with the same center O. Okay, and next point you can see, find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So chord is nothing but it touches end of the two line segment, it touches the circle. Tangent means it touches only one point at the circle. Chord means it touches 2 points at the circle. So you can see length, we need to find the length of the chord of the big circle. It touches the smaller circle. So I just draw the chord like this. So just you observe this chord. I just give the name A and then B. I just give the name A. B is a chord. I just drawn chord in the big circle. It touches the smaller circle at a point P. Now you see that AB is a chord of the big circle tangent to the smaller circle because it touches only one point P, that is point of contact. I just draw the radius of the big circle. So I just join OB. So OB is nothing but radius of the big circle. How much? 5 centimeter. And next I just join OP. OP is the radius of smaller circle, 3 centimeter. Okay, so now I just take the right angle triangle OPB, and again you just join that AO also. OA, it is also 5 centimeter. So now you concentrate the triangle OAB. So we need to find out the length of AB. So AB is the chord. We need to find out the length of the chord. Okay. So OA is equal to OB is equal to 5 centimeter. So this is the radius of the outer circle. Okay. OP is equal to 3 centimeter. That is radius of a inner circle. Then OP is perpendicular. OP is perpendicular to AB, because P is the point of contact and AB is the tangent of the circle with the radius 3 centimeter OP. So OP perpendicular to AB. Just we need to concentrate the triangle OAB. We need to concentrate the triangle OAB now. I just draw that triangle OAB separately like this. OAB. OAB. So with the point of contact P, it is perpendicular. Perpendicular means it shows 90-degree angle. Already you know that the value, this is 5 centimeter and this one is 5 centimeter and center it is 3 centimeter. Now I just right angle triangle. I take right angle triangle OPB. OPB. So what we can written as OB square is equal to OP square plus P b square. So OB square is nothing but 5 square is equal to, by Pythagoras theorem, 5 square is equal to, OP square is 3 square. So 3 square plus PB square. So 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9. 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9. So 25 is equal to 3 square, 9 plus PB square. If we move on to the right hand side, it gives 16. So PB square is equal to 16. PB is nothing but 4 centimeter. And you can observe OP is the O is the center of the circle and P is the point of contact. So OP is perpendicular to AB if P is the midpoint of AB. P is the midpoint of AB, so you can written AB is equal to AP plus PB. So AP and PB both are equal. AP and PB both are equal. AP is equal to PB. So how you can written AB is equal to 2 into PB, which is equal to 2 into 4 is equal to 8 centimeter. So what we have to find out, we need to find out length of the chord, length of the chord of the larger circle, that is AB. So finally what we get? We get 8 centimeter. Therefore what is the length of the chord? Length of the chord is nothing but 8 centimeter is the length of the chord. Next we move on to question number 8. Question number 8. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle in figure number 10.12. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. We need to prove that quadrilateral ABCD is circumscribed with the circle. So we need to prove that side, some of the sides are equal, opposite sides, that is AD plus BC. AD plus BC is equal to BC plus AD. So we need to prove like this. Okay, now we move on to the solution. So this is the quadrilateral in solution. So how we can take it as the name? So A, B, C, D. So this is the quadrilateral A, B, C, D circumscribed with the circle. What is circumscribed with circle? It a point, it touches the circle. So the point, it touches like this. So now it is a circumscribed circle. It touches the point here. So I just name it that as P, P, Q, R, S. Now you can see ABCD is a quadrilateral, it circumscribed with the circle. It touches the quadrilateral at a point P, Q, R, S. So now you observe, we need to prove opposite side of this, sum of this opposite side is equal to sum of this one, that is AD plus BC is equal to AB plus CD. We need to prove that. Okay, sum of this opposite sides are equal. Sum of the opposite sides is equal to the sum of other two sides. We need to prove that one. So here you need to observe A, B, C, D touches that circle. After that you observe this DS and then DR. DS and DR the tangent. DS and DR is the tangent. So now you need to take over ds is equal to dr. ds is equal to dr as a tangent, because two tangents are equal. So I just take that concept, ds is equal to dr. ds is equal to dr because it is a tangent. It is a tangent. It is a tangent. Okay. And next I want to show that you have to take over this as and then ap. as ap. So now you can see this as and ap is also the two tangent. These two are equal. These two tangents are equal. So as is equal to ap. This also tangent. And as usual, I observed that all remaining three, pb is equal to bq. pb is equal to bq, otherwise you can written as bq is equal to pb. bq is equal to pb. So bq is equal to pb. Reason as it is the same, it is also the tangent. Now the final tangent, what is that? That is rc and cq. rc and cq. cq is equal to rc. So this one is also the same reason, tangent. Now you can see how many tangents that are there. 1 2 3 4. So 4. I need to add all these three. So I take it as this is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. These are all tangent. So I take all the tangent as a equation. So first I take it as this is equation number 1, and this is equation number 2, and this is equation number 3, and this is equation number 4. I just add all these 4 equation. I need to add all the 4 equation. Add the equation. Equation number 1 plus equation number 2 plus equation number 3 plus equation number 4, which implies, so what is that? dc ds as ds plus as plus bq cq. ds plus as plus bq cq in left hand side. So I just write in the left hand side, what is that? ds plus as plus bq cq in the left hand side. bq plus cq is equal to, and next right hand side, dr ap pb dr rc. ap pb dr rc. ap pb dr rc. So ap plus pb plus dr plus rc. So now you need to take over the set. You can see this two, ds and as, bq and cq. So ds and as you can written as ad, because ad is nothing but, ad can be written as as plus ds. As the same, bq plus cq you can written as bc. bc can be split as bq plus cq is equal to, ap and pb is written as ab, and dr and rc can be written as cd. So now you just go and observe the question. what we need to prove it? You can see we need to prove it AB plus CD, AD plus BC, AB plus CD, AB plus CD, AD plus BC. So AB plus CD, AD plus BC. So left and right it should be changed, but we proved AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So hence proved. Finally we proved that, hence proved. Next we move on to question number 9. Now we want to move question number 9. In a given figure, x, y and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents. Already we proved that the tangent is drawn at end of the diameter of the circle. It is parallel. Already we proved. So xy and x dash y dash are the parallel tangents to a circle with the center O. Another tangent AB with the point of contact C. What is that? Here this is the AB, that point of contact. This one we take it as this is AC. Another one tangent with the point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. Prove that. We need to prove angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. So here we need to prove this angle AOB is 90 degree. Angle AOB is 90 degree we need to prove. So now we move on to the solution. So in a solution, what I have to do, I just joined the line OC. I just joined a line OC. Okay, so first I take the two triangle AOP and then AOC. I just take a two triangle, that is AOP and AOC. This two triangle AOP. This two triangle I take over AOP and also angle AOC. I just take this two triangle. Okay. So triangle AOP and triangle AOC I take it over. Already you know that similarity congruence triangle. Okay, by side criterion, angle side angle criterion. So many criteria we have learned in triangles, congruence triangle. So just you observe. I have to take over this OC and then OC OP are equal. This OC and then OP are equal. In which criteria? The two are radius, that is also the side of the triangle, but in a circle OC is the radius and OP is the radius. Wherever you take it as the radius are same. So OP is equal to OC is in the concept of radius. OP is equal to, so OP is equal to OC. So these are all radii of the circle. And next you note that I take over another side, this OA. So OA you can see it is the common side for the two triangle. Common side of the two triangle. So AO is equal to AO is in the concept of common side. AO is equal to AO. So what is that concept? It is common side. So it is a common side. And next what we need to do, next we observe another one criteria. So finally I take it as AP and AC. What is AP and AC? In the question itself they given this AP and then AC are the tangent. You know that two tangent in a circle are equal. No, so AP and AC are equal on the concept of the tangent. So AP is equal to AC. AP is also is equal to AC. These two are tangents. These two are tangents. Now you can see OP, OC, OP, AO, AP, all the three sides are equal. So now you can see what the triangle you take over, AOP and AOC. AOP and AOC. So now triangle AOP is congruent to triangle AOC in which criteria? In the criteria side criteria. So side criteria and triangle AOP and AOC are congruent. As the same, you can take over that opposite, you can take over that another side. Triangle BOC. I just take over, I observe this triangle BOC, this triangle, and then BQO, this triangle is also similarly congruence. As the same, OB is the common side, OQ and OQ and OC is the radii, and then BQ BC is the tangent. As the same concept, side criteria. Triangle BOQ BOC, triangle BOQ and BOC also congruence. Triangle BOQ and then triangle BOC are congruence. You just write a triangle. So now you take a triangle BOQ is congruent to triangle BOC. Similarly as the same concept, I take over. And next you just recall the lines and angles. Lines and angles. So what is the angle of the straight line? You can see this. What is the angle we can mention here? This one, it is 180 degree. Okay, if how many rays are there, it goes so many rays like this. So many rays it's going on. You can add angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5. You take it over and then angle 6. All the angle if you add, you get 180 degree. So this is one of the concept in lines and angles. You can use this concept here to add the angles. Now how it is possible? Just you need to take over the angle POA. Angle POA. Angle POA and then angle AOC. POA AOC. I just take it over first. POA AOC and then COB. This is also under condition, and finally BOQ. Now you can see these are all under. So now you can take over. PQ is the diameter of the circle. I take over. O is the center. O is the center. Here I just take over all the lines. Here A, one point is there. Another one is C point is there. Another one B point is there. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. If you add this 4 angle, what you get? You get 180 degree. It is the concept of lines and angle conditions. So now we need to add all the angles POA, AOC one by one. POA angle POA plus angle AOC plus angle COB plus angle BOQ is equal to 180 degree. You can verify it. It's continuously it's going on POA, AOC, COB, BOQ. And already you know that two triangles are congruence. Already we take it over. Two triangles are congruence. So congruence means that angles also equal. So I just take it over this two. Angle POA. This one. Angle AOC. I take it as AOC. Okay, because these two are equal. Angle POA is equal to angle AOC. So these two are equal. So these two triangular congruence means sides angles both are equal. So I just take AOC is equal to AOC. Angle AOC is equal to angle AOC. So angle AOC plus angle AOC. As is the same COB and BOQ, I take it over. That is also these two triangles also. These three triangles also equal. I take it over COB. So both two triangles, both two angles are COB. So angle COB plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. Now you can see the concept. Angle AOC, I just written 2 angle AOC plus 2 angle COB is equal to 180 degree. So now which one is common? Angle 2 is common. I just take it out. AOC, COB. So I just take it out. 2 is commonly. Angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. Now we need to observe that figure again. You can see that angle AOC plus BOC, angle AOC plus angle BOC, we can written as angle AOB. Take it as angle AOB. AOB is split it as, listen, this angle AOB, it can be written as the sum of angle AOC plus BOC. This is the concept. Angle AOB is can be written as angle AOC, angle BOC. So I just written that is angle AOB. So 2 into angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. And next I just take over angle AOB is equal to 180 degree divided by 2. So I'll cancel 1 2 is to 90. So finally what you get, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. So just you need to go and observe the question what we need to prove. So just we need to prove angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. So by using this figure, by using lines and angles and the criteria of the triangle, finally we proved angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. So you can practice these questions by your own interest. So once you read the question and practice it by your own. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க.